So in this particular problem, what do we want to do? Well, we want to write it as x squared, x minus 4 to the negative 1/2. In general, if you're not sure what to do, look at the problem with everything as exponential as possible. All right. So now what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to say let u equal x minus 4. We tend to go after the one that's more complicated. So du dx equals 1. Derivative of x minus 4 is just 1. So du equals dx. And as you learned from the previous problem, when this happens, we go ahead and take u, which is x minus 4. We add 4 to both sides. And u plus 4 equals x. And so now I can go here where he has x squared and substitute u plus 4. So that gives me u plus 4 squared times u to the negative 1/2 du. Because du is dx, I can just replace dx with du. Okay, so something to work with. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to expand this, and please, when you expand this, don't make me cry. This is u squared plus 8u plus 16. Do not write u squared plus 16. That would be a doo-doo pie. Times negative u to the negative 1/2 du. All right, and from here, we distribute into everything. So this gives me u to the 3/2 plus 8u to the 1/2 plus 16u to the negative 1/2 du. All right, now keep in mind when I did this, what I did was when you multiply u squared times u to the negative 1/2, you add the exponent. So this is 2 plus negative 1/2. So half of 2 is 1.5, or 3/2, so on and so forth with all of these. So from here, we got each of these. We can easily partition these up and solve them separately. So u to the 3/2 du plus the integration of 8u to the 1/2 du plus, I've run out of space, the integration of 16u to the negative 1/2 du. And each of these can be solved pretty effortlessly. So let me do some effortlessly work. And this gives me u to the 5/2 over 5/2 plus, on this one here, we have 8u to the 3/2 over 3/2 plus 16u to the 1/2 over 1/2 plus c. Cleaning it up, we get 2/5 u to the 5/2 plus 8 times 2/3 times the u to the 3/2 plus 16 times 2 times u to the 1/2 plus c. I have run out of space, so continuing from the other page, this breaks down to 2/5 u to the 5/2 plus 16/3 u to the 3/2 plus 32 u to the 1/2 plus c. And the final answer, remembering that u in the very beginning was x minus 4, yields, let me try to write this a little smaller, 2/5 to the x minus 4, 5/2, plus 16/3, x minus 4 to the 3/2, plus 32 x minus 4 to the 1/2 plus c. And that's my final answer. And there you have it. So really not too bad. You just got to remember to let u, when you have this effect, tends to be that we get x in terms of u. You substitute it in. And super important, you have to FOIL this out. Now I FOILed it quickly. I used the property that says it's this u is u squared, 4 squared is 16, and the middle is u times 4 times 2, which is 8u. All right. Hopefully you're cool with that, and I guess I'll see you when I see you.